Hello everyone, welcome back and hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if your mouse is lagging or stuttering. In this video, let's fix this issue. So start with our first step. The first method you can try. Click on Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, click on this devices option. On the left side, click on mouse. On the right side, you can see your mouse properties. The first one is select your primary button. So you can change your primary button if you want. Otherwise, leave it. Or if you want to increase your cursor speed, you can do it with the help of this option. You can increase your cursor speed as well. Okay. And you can also set your mouse wheel as well. The main thing you have to do is you have to just turn off this option. This is important. Turn off this option. This is your first step. Check your cursor speed and turn off this option. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next step. The next method you can try. Open Device Manager. So right click on Windows icon. Then click on this option Device Manager. You will see this kind of window. So first click on this option Display Adapters. And after that, update your graphic driver. If you are using an outdated graphic driver, in that case you will see the lagging issue on your system. So make sure update your graphic driver. Right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically. So this will update your graphic driver. Click on close. After that, move on to the next step. Check your mouse driver. So click on this mouse icon, mic and other pointing devices. Expand this option, and this is the mouse driver I have in my system. So first update your mouse driver, right click on it, then click on update driver, click on search automatically. So this will update your mouse driver. But if you are still getting the same issue, move on to the final step. Uninstall your mouse driver. So right click on it, then click on this option uninstall device. Do not tick this option, just click on uninstall. And after that, press the window key. After pressing the Windows key, click on the tab button on your keyboard. Then press the down arrow key. Select the power option. And then select the restart button, restart option, then press enter. And this will restart your system and fix your mouse issue.